Hey there, future millionaire. If you've ever dreamt of winning millions in the lottery effortlessly, you're in for a mind-blowing revelation. Today, we're delving into the powerful teachings of Neville Goddard and unlocking the secrets of the law of attraction that can help you manifest those life-changing lottery wins with astonishing ease. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll have the keys to unlock the universe's abundance and turn your lottery dreams into a spectacular reality. Let's dive into the transformative wisdom of Neville Goddard and discover how you can manifest winning millions of dollars effortlessly. Picture this scenario. You've just purchased a lottery ticket. What's the first thing that comes to your mind? Most likely, you start envisioning a life where you've hit the jackpot, a life filled with all your dreams coming true. Some individuals, after acquiring a lottery ticket, embark on a spiritual journey. They pray fervently, joining their hands as they make their way home. From the moment of purchase until the fateful day when the winning numbers are announced, they visit churches, temples, or any place of religious significance in their faith. And then the day arrives. The winning numbers are declared, but alas, the person does not win the lottery. Frustration sets in, and blame is placed on every deity the person prayed to. What they fail to grasp is that the fault lies not with the gods they believe in, but in the way they approached their prayers. The real issue is the lack of self-belief in winning the lottery. Yet you can safeguard yourself from such disappointments. Welcome back to my new video, where I'll guide you on the steps to take and the pitfalls to avoid if you've bought a lottery or are contemplating it. If buying a lottery is on your horizon, you're in the right place. Watch this video until the end before diving into the world of lotteries. It's largely a game of luck, but by following my advice later in this video, luck can be on your side. Before we begin, if you're interested in learning about manifesting and creating the life you desire, and if you want to attract money easily starting today, check link in comments below to know the shocking wealth secrets revealed by rogue NASA scientist. Lotteries are essentially pieces of scratch paper with concealed numbers and letters, a game of chance for some, a means to fulfill wishes, clear debts, and attain a happy life for others. What if I told you that this game of luck could be tilted in your favor with just the right amount of effort? It's not about devoting your entire existence to it. It's about applying the law of attraction and consistent manifestation practices. When you manifest, it's not luck but a game of consistency, uniformity, and regularity. If you're watching this, you're either planning to buy a lottery and seeking guidance on making the most of it, or have already purchased one and want to optimize your time and resources. Regardless, ask yourself if you intend to use the lottery for the betterment of yourself and those around you, or if it'll be squandered on frivolous pursuits. Your intention matters, and you need to be honest with yourself before taking action. Now let's address the manifestation aspect. This video aims to shift your perception, emphasizing that winning the lottery isn't solely about luck, but also about faith and belief. Can the law of attraction and manifestation truly influence lottery outcomes? As a firm believer and practitioner, I affirm that yes, these principles can work. Interviews with individuals claiming to have attracted lottery winnings through daily manifestation abound on the internet. To make this work for you, a solid understanding of both the law of attraction and the law of assumption is crucial. Check out other videos on this channel for in-depth explanations of these laws. Returning to the topic at hand, let me guide you on how to leverage the law of attraction and the law of assumption to win that lottery. First and foremost, forget that you even purchased a lottery ticket. Now, you might be wondering about the concept of forgetting, and if you followed my other videos, this step may sound familiar, as I've discussed it previously. For those unfamiliar, let me clarify that forgetting, in this context, doesn't mean wiping the memory clean. Instead, it involves navigating through your day while holding onto the belief that you've already secured the lottery win. Embrace the sensation of having achieved your desire. This feeling is the key to successful manifestation. Assume, with a relaxed mind, that your desire has already been fulfilled. Approach your daily tasks with a calm and tension-free mindset. Dwelling on thoughts like, will I win or not, only introduces doubt into the process. Allow your subconscious mind to do its work. While completing your daily activities, incorporate affirmations into your routine. Repeat these affirmations either aloud or in your inner voice. The universe is working on my desires. I trust myself and the process. I am confident that I will win the lottery. This practice is known as the law of attraction, constantly drawing your desires toward you. Manifestation is most effective when your thoughts are aligned. Organize your thoughts, concentrate them in one place, creating the necessary power to manifest your desires. Remember, everything commences and concludes with a thought, so maintain a positive mindset. Banish any doubts about your manifestation. It's crucial to believe in the process. Keep in mind that when manifesting a lottery win, you're not alone. Countless others share the same goal. Strengthen your subconscious manifestation by visualizing yourself as the winner, expressing gratitude for the abundance in your life. Take inspired actions to attract your desires, such as regularly purchasing lottery tickets or participating in lottery pools. Demonstrate your commitment through actions. As we conclude this video, I appreciate you for staying tuned. Manifestation isn't a magical shortcut to winning the lottery. Success depends on various uncontrollable factors. Focus your thoughts on attracting abundance. Have faith in yourself. Trust the universe and its process, and watch as the universe aligns to support your goals. Let me take you through a personal manifestation journey that left me in awe. It all began with my experimentation using Neville's techniques, and the outcome was beyond anything I could have anticipated. My target: a 10k lottery win. What's interesting is that I never intended for it to happen through the lottery. I took a bold step by counting 10k in my hands imaginally, treating it as a tangible reality. This nightly ritual lasted for 3 consecutive nights. Surprisingly, I stopped abruptly because an inner sense told me it was unnecessary. About 2 weeks later, an inexplicable urge hit me while driving home. Buy a lottery ticket. I followed that instinct, purchased the ticket, stashed it away, and honestly forgot about it. At the end of the month, I decided to check it. Initially, I thought I had only 3 out of 6 numbers. The cashier's hesitation hinted at something unusual. Upon revaluation, it turned out to be 5 out of 6 numbers, with the missed one being the next door number. Yet, despite the twists, I secured my 10k. The key. I wanted it. This experience illuminated the potent force of manifestation. Set the intention, release it, and trust the unfolding. If you want to attract money easily starting today, check link in comments below to know the shocking wealth secrets revealed by rogue NASA scientist. As we reach the conclusion of today's video journey, I want to express my deepest gratitude for your time and attention. If you found value in what you've just experienced, don't forget to show some love by giving us a thumbs up, sharing this content with your friends, and hitting that subscribe button if you haven't already. Make sure to ring the notification bell so you're always in the loop for our future uploads. Remember, this channel thrives on your support, and we're excited to have you as part of our community. Feel free to leave comments about topics you'd like us to cover in upcoming videos, or share your thoughts on today's content. Your feedback is invaluable. For even more exclusive content and behind-the-scenes updates, follow us on our other social media channels. The links are in the description below. Thank you for being with us today. Until next time, stay inspired, stay curious, and we'll catch you in the next video.